Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 products from the most popular brands that are the best in the market. The brands and models I listed here have been featured by the most popular review websites, and they have thousands of positive reviews on Amazon.com. In preparing this list, I did a lot of online research so that you find the best and most suitable one for you. So if you want to buy the best one that's worth your money, then don't skip. Watch the full video. Trust me, if you choose from this list, definitely you will buy the best one from the overcrowded market. One more thing, don't forget to check the links in the description. I will see you in the next video.
The DJI Mini 2 drone is a tiny and lightweight drone that can capture 4K video and 12 megapixel stills with its 3-axis gimbal camera. The camera also supports 4x digital zoom and panorama mode. The Mini 2 drone has a flight time of up to 31 minutes and a range of up to 10 kilometers with its improved controller. It also has a GPS and GLONASS system and a vision sensor for precise and stable flight. The drone has several intelligent flight modes, such as quick shots, droney, rocket, circle, helix, and boomerang. It also has a return to home feature and a Find My Drone function. The Mini 2 drone is a perfect drone for beginners and travelers who want a small and easy-to-fly drone that can record stunning 4K videos and stills. It is also suitable for those who want a long flight time and a strong connection. However, it does not have obstacle avoidance sensors, active track, or hyperlapse mode. The Hubsan Zino 2 drone is a powerful and fast drone that can record 4K video at 60 FPS and 12 megapixel stills with its Sony sensor and Ambarella chipset. The camera has a 3-axis gimbal and a 120-degree field of view lens that can be adjusted by 90 degrees. The camera also supports EIS and HDR modes for better image quality. The Zino 2 drone has a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a range of up to 6 kilometers with its upgraded controller. It also has a dual GPS system and a vision positioning system for accurate and stable flight. The drone has various intelligent flight modes, such as image tracking, waypoint, and orbit. It also has an advanced return home feature that avoids obstacles and flies at a higher altitude. The Zino 2 drone is a great choice for drone enthusiasts who want a high-performance drone that can deliver smooth and sharp 4K videos. It is also good for intermediate and experienced users who want to explore different flight modes and settings. However, it is not very portable or lightweight, and it does not have obstacle avoidance sensors or follow me mode. The Hubsan Zino Mini Pro is the first drone under 250 grams to offer a 4K camera and a 3-direction obstacle avoidance system. It comes with a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes the camera, allowing you to shoot smooth footage. The camera has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and an f1.85 aperture, which means it can capture more light and details. The camera also has a 6x hybrid zoom and an enhanced HDR mode. You can record videos in 4K at 30 FPS and in 1080 pixel, at 60 FPS, while photos have a maximum resolution of 48 megapixel. The Hubsan Zino Mini Pro has a flight time of up to 40 minutes, which is impressive considering its size and weight. It also boasts a remote control distance of up to 10 kilometers, thanks to the Hubsan Syncleus 3.0 transmission system. To help you fly safely in low-light conditions, it also offers an optical flow sensor and nightlight for hovering and landing purposes. There are several flight modes available: Follow Me, Orbit, Waypoint, Line Fly, Creative Video. On top of these features, the drone has smart return-to-home functions as well as low battery warnings. With its high-quality camera and obstacle avoidance, the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro is perfect for beginners or intermediate users who want versatility without having to spend too much money on pricier models with similar capabilities. The same goes for travelers who only want to pack one compact piece of equipment that can shoot great images without worrying about weight limits on flights. The Potensic Dreamer Pro drone is a durable and stable drone that can shoot 4K video and 16 megapixel stills with its 3-axis gimbal camera. The camera has a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a 90-degree adjustable angle. The camera also supports RAW and JPG formats and live streaming. The Dreamer Pro drone has a flight time of up to 28 minutes and a range of up to 2 kilometers with its ergonomic controller. It also has a GPS and GLONASS system and a status indicator for safe and reliable flight. The drone has several intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit. It also has a beginner mode and a sport mode for different skill levels. The Dreamer Pro drone is a good option for beginners and professionals who want a reliable and easy-to-use drone that can take high-quality photos and videos. It is also good for those who want a long battery life and a decent flight range. However, it does not have obstacle avoidance sensors, HDR mode, or color profiles. The Ruko F11 Pro drone is a robust and fast drone that can record 4K video and 16 megapixel stills with its 120-degree wide-angle camera. The camera has a 90-degree adjustable angle and a vibration absorption system. The camera also supports 5 GHz FPV transmission and live streaming. The F11 Pro drone has a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a range of up to 500 meters with its remote controller. It also has a GPS and GLONASS system and a low battery alarm for safe and smooth flight. The drone has various intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit. It also has a Smart Return Home feature and a beginner mode. The F11 Pro drone is a good drone for both beginners and experts who want a powerful and agile drone that can capture high-quality videos and photos. It is also good for those who want a long flight time and a decent flight range. However, it does not have obstacle avoidance sensors, gimbal stabilization, or RAW format support.